Today we're going to make this easy snowman in a jar craft.
For today's craft, you are going to need some scissors, some glue, a pencil, a little bit of black paper and some orange paper, some marshmallows, or you could also use cotton balls or tissue, anything that happens to be white, and a jar. Now my jar is this size. You could use a larger jar, a smaller jar. It's completely up to you. Whatever you have will work. Grab what you need and let's get started. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my jar, and hopefully it is a nice clean jar. So you want your jar and you're going to put something white in your jar. I happen to have these large marshmallows, so I'm just going to put those in. Little marshmallows will work, like I said, cotton balls or tissue that's white, anything that you have that happens to be white. Ooh, I'm going to shove those in there. This would be cute if you wanted to give it to someone as a little treat as well, if it's edible. You're going to put the lid on, and there you go. Everything inside is white. Now we're going to do the face on the front. So to do that, we're going to start by creating our carrot nose. And for my carrot nose, I am going to make a triangle. Depending on the size of your jar, that's going to be the size of your triangle. So I'm just going to put a little dot up here. I'm going to draw a diagonal line one way and a diagonal line the other way for my triangle nose, and then I'm going to cut that out. So go ahead and make your triangle whatever size is going to work for your jar. And let's just test that. I think that's great. Then I want to make some eyes and a mouth, and to do that I'm just going to use circles. So I'm going to take my black, I'm going to fold it once, I'm going to fold it again, and just so I have lots of circles to work with, I'm going to fold it another time, push down, and we're going to draw a circle. Now the size of your circle is going to be dependent on the size of your jar. So just go ahead and draw a circle. I tend to err on the side of going a little bit bigger, and then you can always make your circle smaller after. Once you have your circle, go ahead and cut them out. When you are gluing, just make sure that your jar doesn't roll away on you. Sometimes if you just put your pencil right on one end, it'll stop it from rolling. Put a little bit of glue on your carrot nose, and I like to glue mine going sideways, right in the middle. Then I will choose a couple of these circles for eyes, and the rest I will glue around in a big smile, and then I will have my cute little snowman. So go ahead and start gluing.
Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.